I'm gonna show you how to detach your LiftMaster or Chamberlain garage door opener from the garage door so that you can run it by hand. And the reason for doing this would be in the event of a power outage or if you just wanna run the door manually. The first thing you're gonna do is grab the red pull cord and you're gonna pull down. That's going to release this piece from the part that moves on the rail. Once you do that, you can now move your door up and down by hand. Well, let's go ahead and put it up all the way. To reattach the door to the trolley, we're gonna grab the cord again and we're gonna pull it towards the motor, like that. Next, we'll push the wall button to run the trolley up so that it will connect with the door in the back. You'll notice right here, the trolley's gonna come, connect right there, it clicked, and now it's connected again. And that's it. Now you can run your garage door manually if you ever need to. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.